The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 takes another step towards its launch. Samsung makes some of the best Android smartwatches right now. Despite its age, the 2021 Galaxy Watch 4 Classic is a great offering featuring a rotating bezel. As for the 2022 Watch 5 lineup, it packs all the right upgrades, including all-day battery life, faster charging speed, and a more durable design. For 2023, the company is working on the Watch 6, which could mark the return of the physical rotating bezel and pack a more modern processor. Ahead of their rumored debut in July, the two smartwatches have taken another step toward their launch. As spotted by Snoopy Tech, the Galaxy Watch 6 and its Pro sibling have passed through the FCC. This is important as every consumer device sold in the US must get the necessary regulatory clearances before going on sale. The FCC listing does not reveal anything new about the upcoming smartwatches except confirming their model number. While the 40mm Galaxy Watch 6 will carry the model number RM930, the 44mm variant's model number is RM940. The two wearables will use the ER or 900 charger, which is the same as the Watch 5 series. Presumably, this means the charging speed will remain unchanged on Samsung's 2023 smartwatch lineup. A Samsung executive has confirmed the event will be hosted in the company's home country, South Korea, this year. One of the key features of the Watch 6 series is its connectivity options. Both the Watch 6 and Pro are said to feature support for Bluetooth and NFC, allowing users to connect their smartwatches to a wide range of devices and enjoy contactless payments. This integration of advanced connectivity features ensures that users can stay connected and make transactions on the go, making their lives more convenient and streamlined. As the launch of the Watch 6 series approaches, tech enthusiasts and fans eagerly await the official unveiling. With improved features, advanced connectivity options, and a classic variant that retains the beloved rotating bezels, these smartwatches aim to offer a seamless and immersive user experience. Whether it's tracking fitness goals, managing notifications, or staying connected on the go, the Galaxy Watch 6 series promises to be a worthy companion for tech-savvy individuals seeking the perfect blend of style and substance in a smartwatch. Samsung typically holds its second Galaxy Unpacked event of the year in August, but this time rumors suggest the company has advanced the event to the last week of July. Alongside the Watch 6, Samsung will announce the Galaxy Fold and Flip 5 at its next Galaxy Unpacked event. So, what are your expectations for the upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section. And if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.